Have you ever wondered what happens when you mix toothpaste and salt? At first it might sound unusual, but trust me, the result will definitely surprise you. In this video, I will show you step by step how to make this simple but very powerful mixture using ingredients you most likely already have at home. To begin with, prepare regular kitchen salt. It does not matter whether it is fine or coarse, both will work because salt plays a key role here. Along with it, you will also need toothpaste, preferably the classic, inexpensive kind. Now take a small bowl and slowly add 2 tablespoons of salt. While doing this, make sure the salt is spread evenly because it will later absorb the toothpaste more easily. Then squeeze out about 10 centimeters of toothpaste from the tube, just enough to combine well with the salt and create a thick paste. Mix everything thoroughly. Friends, let me know in the comments where you are watching from. Thank you! To make the whole mixture even more effective, we will add one more ingredient, a tablespoon of dish soap. This will bind the salt and toothpaste into a compact paste while also boosting the cleaning power. Now stir everything well. Take your time and keep mixing for a few minutes until you get a completely smooth and uniform mass without lumps. You might still be wondering why exactly we made this mixture. Let me explain once again, but first, if this is your first time here, I invite you to subscribe to our channel. It does not cost anything, and it means a lot to us. This simple combination works as a powerful cleaning agent that can help you in your everyday household chores. It is perfect for sinks, faucets, bathroom tiles, and many other surfaces. With little effort, it removes limescale, eliminates bacteria, and restores the shine so that everything looks as good as new. All you have to do is apply the mixture, allow it to sit for a few minutes, and then rinse it away with water. The outcome will surprise you because these 3 ingredients are not only inexpensive but also extremely effective. They allow you to prepare a generous amount of cleaning paste that is much more affordable than anything you could buy in a store. Make sure to watch our next video that is already waiting for you on the screen. Thank you so much for your support.